let's just talk about the case and where it is at the moment. Of course, it's the police that's got 8 days custody of all 5 that are accused of murdering Raja Raghuvanshi in Meghalaya. Do remember that Raj was not even there, but he's supposedly the mastermind behind the crime that took place. He, along with Sonam, planned this murder days in advance. In fact, it was planned within 4 to 5 days of her being married to Raja Raghuvanshi, a marriage that she didn't want to get into. She had apparently, allegedly, from what we're hearing from sources within the family of Raja Raghuvanshi, saying that the mother knew that she wasn't interested in getting married to Raja, but forced her into getting married to Raja. She had, in fact, also allegedly said that, now look what I'm going to do to him if you force me to marry him. She did marry him, and within 4 days decided to execute this plan to murder the person that she had married. We have Saurabh with us. Saurabh, take us through the details that we have in regard to, the police has the custody of all the accused. They are going to be grilling all of them. What are the details that have emerged? Because the police, minute by minute, hour by hour, there's such chilling details that have been emerging in the case.
Absolutely. Very chilling details have emerged. And of course, the police pretty early on in this case suspected that Sonam Raghuvanshi could be behind this entire murder, and therefore, like my colleague Mukesh reported, and also like we've been reporting earlier, that the police from very early on had clues, but they still kept up the search for Sonam because in those areas as well, because they didn't want to alert the accused that the police were on their trail. In the meantime, they followed up the trail as well. But the police knew that very early on that Sonam perhaps was involved in this. And even before, after they found the body of Raja, they couldn't find the body of Sonam. So all of these things led to the suspicion that Sonam was involved. And the police have now detailed how they cracked the case. All of those details we've reported on NDTV over the last few days. What happens now is important. Well, all of these clues, all of these steps that the police have taken, all of this evidence that they've collected so far, all of this now has to be corroborated, verified, cross-checked, and put together in a charge sheet. How will they do it? They will be questioning the accused, and at this point, the accused will be questioned. It will be hours and hours of grilling here at the Sadar police station where the accused are, and then, of course, from there they would be sort of filing a charge sheet. Later on, they'll have time to file a charge sheet, but at this point, the grilling would take place today. At some point over the next 8 days, we can expect that, there will be a crime scene recreation or a recreation of a sequence of events. That is going to take place later because the police will take some time to first grill them, then, verify their statements, and then probably take them to the crime spot as well. But it could, again, it could take some time because this is a complicated case. Even though the police have evidence, all of that evidence needs to come together. It needs to come together and it needs to be a foolproof, airtight case against Sonam and the accused. So that's something that the police are working on now. The interrogation will go on for days now. And of course, the police and expect more details, expect more sordid details to come out if what has already come out and what is already there in the public domain is not shocking enough, because this is a case that's already, grabbed national headlines. But for the people of Meghalaya, for the police in Meghalaya, this is now about putting together an airtight case so that in the quickest possible time they can try the accused and they can also ensure that that justice is delivered.
Right, Saurabh. Of course, the big question is, the case was cracked in record time. And of course, the Chief Minister there also, talking about the Meghalaya police that took very little time in order to crack this case. The police is saying that what really led them to Sonam was the fact that a Mangal Sutra was left behind. A Mangal Sutra that belonged to Sonam was left behind along with a ring inside a suitcase. This was a suitcase which was left at the homestay that they were staying in. And that is when they found this. They, the question as to why would somebody who's newly been married take off a Mangal Sutra, leave it in a suitcase. And that's what really led to the police believing that she could be a suspect in the murder of her husband. Of course, the kind of evidence that has been found ever since, of course, includes a weapon. This is a curved weapon along with belongings of Raja. There are fingerprints, there are mobile phones, there's digital devices. There's also CCTV footage. We're talking about CCTV footage that's been recovered from 42 locations. But before all this even happened, it was the Mangal Sutra that led the police to believe that Sonam was behind this cold-blooded murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, the man that she had married just weeks ago. My colleague Mukesh has the details.
सर, कैसे पूरे मर्डर को अंजाम दिया और फिर कैसे ये लोग वहाँ से निकले, ये इसके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल से बताएं सर।
देखिए, ये सब एग्जैक्टली कैसा हुआ वो तो हम लोग को इंटरोगेशन का बात ही पता चलेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग को इतना पता चला है कि वो 23 को जब वो लोग सोनम और राजा वो लोग नोंगरियात से वापस आ रहे थे, तब उस टाइम वो लोग ये 3 लोग भी नोंगरियात में उस रात को रुके हुए थे पास वाले होम स्टे में, और वो लोग का साथ फॉलो करके वो लोग के साथ दोस्ती करके मतलब राजा का साथ दोस्ती करके कुछ बातचीत करने लगा। ये सोनम ने बताया कि कुछ फ़ोटो खींचना है और राजा को लेके गया, और उसके दौरान ये 3 जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किलर्स है उसने राजा को मारा है। और जो हम लोग का प्रिलिमिनरी इंटरोगेशन में अभी ये जो एक्यूज पर्सन्स ने बताया कि जब सोनम ने भी वो डेड बॉडी को फेंकने में मदद किया।
धक्का दिया था उसको?
धक्का नहीं, मतलब मारने के बाद उसको वो गॉर्ज में फेंकने में मदद किया है।
अच्छा सर, एक जो बात निकल कर आ रही है मंगलसूत्र वाली बात। मंगलसूत्र की पूरी सर क्या स्टोरी है, ये क्या कोई इससे केस वर्कआउट हुआ है क्या?
देखिए, जब हम लोग को इनिशियली जब ये मिसिंग रिपोर्ट मिला था तो हम लोग उसको इनिशियली तो हम लोग इसको क्या हुआ था हम लोग को पता नहीं था, तो हम लोग इसको एक मिसिंग केस का जैसा हम लोग उसको ट्रीट कर रहा था। लेकिन उस टाइम जब हम लोग उसको इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू किया तो हम लोग को 2 सूटकेस ये राजा और सोनम का सूटकेस मिला है, और वो सूटकेस में से एक मंगलसूत्र और एक रिंग मिला है। तो वहाँ से हम लोग को कुछ शक होने लगा कि शायद ये तो जिसका मैरिज अभी जस्ट रिसेंट हुआ है और मंगलसूत्र तो सूटकेस में छोड़ के जाना नहीं चाहिए, तो उसी से हम लोग का शक शुरू हुआ है।
जब ये पकड़ी गई तो ये कह रही थी कि मुझे किसी ने किडनैप कर लिया है और मुझे ड्रग्स दिया है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये तो हम लोग को लगता है कि वो मतलब इन्वेस्टिगेशन को हुडविंग करने के लिए कुछ कोशिश कर रहा था, मतलब आपको इनोसेंट बता रहा था, इसलिए वो ये सब बयान उसने दिया था।
And of course, while the other side is now claiming that, the family knew of her ties with Raj, at least the mother did, and that they really did force her into getting married. But the other side now is pointing fingers at Sonam, also at other family members. But it's Sonam Raghuvanshi's brother who has gone ahead and claimed that he is really sure that his mother, that his sister Sonam Raghuvanshi had orchestrated this murder, and that she has now been disowned by the family. That is the press conference that was held by the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi yesterday, alongside the brother of Raja Raghuvanshi, who has been pointing fingers at the family, particularly the mother, particularly Sonam. And here you can see, how he met with the mother, absolutely inconsolable, trying to, sort of provide her a shoulder to cry on, also pledging his absolute support in the matter. In fact, Sonam's brother said that he was 100% sure of his sister's involvement and said that he and his family had snapped all ties with Sonam Raghuvanshi. Let's listen into the brother as well as the mother.
देखिए, मैं कोई होता नहीं हूँ परिवार से माफी मांगने वाला, तो मैंने माफी तो मांग ली है, मगर इस परिवार ने एक बेटा खोया है, और जो मैंने लड़की दी थी उस लड़की की जगह पे मैं इस परिवार का हिस्सा हूँ, उससे रिश्ता हमने तोड़ दिया है, और इस परिवार का हिस्सा मैं हूँ, और आज से सभी चीजें मैं करूँगा उसके खिलाफ, क्योंकि राजा मेरा बहुत प्रिय था।
अगर सोनम दोषी है तो आप उसके लिए क्या सजा चाहते हैं? अगर सोनम दोषी है,
सोनम दोषी है तो उसको है ना डायरेक्टली फांसी पे चढ़ा दिया जाए, क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से उसने ये जो प्रोग्राम जमाया है, जो भी करा है, देखिए आप लोगों से मुझे पता चल रहा है, कोई भी मेरे को खबर और कहीं से नहीं आ रही है, आप लोगों से पता चल रहा है क्या प्लानिंग करी, कैसे करी।
फोटो आया है
ये ऑफिस का फोटो है, ऑफिस के अंदर का, और इसके साथ में और भी बच्चे होंगे।
गोविंद भैया से मैंने पूछा कि तुम सोनम से मिले थे कि नहीं मिले थे, पहले तो मेरे को ये बताओ। तो उन्होंने बोला कि मम्मी मैं सोनम से मिला था 3 मिनट के लिए। तो मैंने बोला कि उसको मारा क्यों नहीं तुमने? तो बोले मारने का मौका ही नहीं दिया, पुलिस और मीडिया इतनी सारी थी वहाँ पर। तो यही बोला कि सोनम को फांसी दिलवाई जाए, गोविंद भैया ने बोल के गए।
Well, Tanushree joining us from Indore to get us the very latest as far as the family reactions are concerned. Tanushree, of course, we heard the mother, we heard the brother. Now, even Sonam's brother is echoing the same sentiment, saying that the harshest punishment should be given to her in the case. They are saying that she is guilty, and if found guilty, she should be hanged.
So Sonam's brother suddenly reached Raja's house, and he hugged Raja's mother and gave a shoulder to her to cry. So, and also over there at Raja's residence, he held a press conference claiming that now, from now on, he has removed all the ties with Sonam and the family, because he says that somewhere Sonam's mother was also also had a knowledge of Sonam's affair, and even after that she encouraged this marriage, because Sonam had a conversation with Sonam's mother before marriage, and she claimed that she don't want to marry Raja, and if she gets married to Raja, everyone will be responsible for whatever happens next. So when Sonam's brother Govind came to Raja's residence, he held a press conference claiming that from now on he would be doing the justice for Raja. He would be staying over there only. He would be part of Raja's family. It's a big statement that had given in the press conference, where he was claiming that from now on he would be staying at Raja's residence. He would be with them and fight for justice of Raja.
Right, it is the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi who is also asking for the strictest punishment, a demand that's being made by the family of Raja Raghuvanshi. We've heard the brother. We heard the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi flip sides, switch sides, gone a step ahead, said that he's 100% convinced that the sister is involved in the crime. But now let's listen in to what the brother of Raja Raghuvanshi, Sachin Raghuvanshi, had to say.
अपने हिंदू धर्म में जो चीज़ होती है ना, वो उसको मान्यता मानती भी है, और जो ये सही बात होती है कि मंगल लड़का हो तो ही इंसान जी पाता है, नहीं तो मर जाते हैं। तो वो हिसाब से प्लानिंग की थी। उसमें ऐसा होता है कि पहला पति मरने के बाद दूसरी शादी का सक्सेस हो जाती है। तो वो हिसाब से इन्हें प्लानिंग करी थी पूरी, कि जिस तरीके से 1 महीने का सब कुछ हो गया। आज 11 मई है, आज ही में भाई की शादी हुई थी 11 जून में, तो पूरा वो हो गया, मतलब 1 महीने में सब कुछ हो गया। कितनी बड़ी बात है।
आप मानते हैं कि सोनम की माँ का इसमें पूरी तरह से हाथ है?
मैं 100% मानता हूँ। मैं तो मतलब जैसे आज मेरी अम्मी भी है, तो मेरी अम्मी को मेरे बारे में कुछ तो पता होगा।
देखिए, मैं कोई होता नहीं हूँ परिवार से माफ़ी मांगने वाला, तो मैंने माफ़ी तो मांग ली है, मगर इस परिवार ने एक बेटा खोया है, और जो मैंने लड़की दी थी, उस लड़की की जगह पे मैं इस परिवार का हिस्सा हूँ, उससे रिश्ता हमने तोड़ दिया है, और इस परिवार का हिस्सा मैं हूँ, और आज से सभी चीज़ें मैं करूँगा उसके खिलाफ, क्योंकि राजा मेरा बहुत प्रिय था। सोनम दोषी है तो उसको है ना डायरेक्टली फांसी पे चढ़ा दिया जाए।
Well, also claims that are being made as far as Raja Raghuvanshi's family is concerned. The brother has gone on to claim that it was Sonam's family that approached Raja Raghuvanshi's family for the alliance. It was a murder that was pre-planned, is what the family is now alleging, saying that it was the family of Sonam who proposed this alliance of Raja and Sonam. They knew that Sonam was a Manglik. That is the claim that is being made by the brother of this is the brother of Raja Raghuvanshi, and saying that because she was Manglik, that she had to have gotten married twice over, and which is why this murder was planned. For Mangliks, the second marriage is said to be successful. That is something that is believed in astrologically, and that is why the mother, this is allegedly what the family is now saying, that the mother and the daughter were in cahoots. They plotted to kill Raja Raghuvanshi so that when she gets married for the second time, that marriage is successful, which is why this drastic step was taken, this murder was planned, and the family, of course, now gone ahead, a step ahead, saying not just Sonam, but also the mother. Do remember earlier they had said that the mother knew that Sonam was having an affair with Raj Kushwaha, but now they're saying that this was plotted and planned so that she could get married all over again, and the second marriage would perhaps be successful given the fact that she was मांगलिक।